Hello everyone, my name is John Andre B. Debuton, BSIT2C. In this video, I'll be identifying the different parts of motherboard. So sa aking video, itong motherboard na to ang aking gagamitin sa pag-identify. So ang una kong ituturo is itong PS2, serial port, then ito naman is yung LAN, then USB port, then yung ating audio. Then sunod is ito naman ang ating audio connector. Tapos ito yung system pan header. Tapos ito is yung USB headers. Then sunod is yung ating front panel. Ito front panel. Front panel connector. Then ito naman is yung SATA port yan. At ito naman is yung ating CMOS battery. Then chipset heatsink. Then PCIe slot to. So ito naman is yung 24 pin ATX power connector. Sunod is yung itong dalawang slot na to is yung DDR memory slot to. Then sunod is yung CPU pan, ito yung CPU pan, and sa likod niya ay yung heatsink. Then sa baba is yung ating CPU socket. So ayun guys, dun lang nagtatapos ang aking pag-identify ng motherboard. Sana marami kayong natutunan kahit papano. Maraming salamat.